Have you ever wanted to talk about how you travel, but you feel quiet, and the words do not come out? Maybe you want to say, I take the bus, but you are not sure how to say it. Don't worry, you are not alone. Today, we will learn together. Slowly, hello, and welcome back. This is your safe space to learn English slowly and speak with calm confidence. Today, we will talk about transportation, how you go to work, how you go to school, how you move from one place to another. You do not need perfect English. Simple English is enough. You are doing great, just by being here. Take a slow breath. Let's begin together. Today's topic is transportation. Transportation means how you travel, how you go somewhere. For example, you can walk, you can take a bus, you can drive a car, you can ride a train. This topic is very useful. You use it every day. When someone asks, how do you go to work? You can answer with simple English. Slow, simple, clear. Let's listen to a simple conversation. Two people are talking. Listen slowly. Anna. Hi. How do you go to work? Ben. I take the bus every day. Anna. Oh, really? Ben. Yes. It is easy and cheap. Anna. That's nice. I take the train. Ben. The train. Anna. Yes. It is fast. Ben. Do you drive sometimes? Anna. No, I don't drive. Ben. I see. I sometimes walk when the weather is nice. Anna. That sounds good. Walking is healthy. Ben. Yes, it is. Very good. Simple. Calm. Real life. Now, let's learn some important words. Listen slowly. Transportation. This means how you travel. Example. Transportation is important. Bus. A big vehicle, many people can ride it. Example. I take the bus. Train. A fast vehicle on tracks. Example. I take the train. Car. A small vehicle. You can drive it. Example. I drive a car. Walk. To move with your feet. Slowly. Example. I walk to school. Drive. To control a car. Example, I drive to work, ride, to sit and travel on something. Example, I ride the bus, fast. Quick, not slow. Example, the train is fast, cheap, not expensive. Example, the bus is cheap. Every day, daily, again and again. Example, I go to work every day. Sometimes, not always, only a few times. Example, I sometimes walk. Good job. Take your time. You are learning well now. It's time to speak. Listen and repeat. Slowly, gently. I take the bus. I take the train. I drive a car. I walk to work. I walk to school. The bus is cheap. The train is fast. I go to work every day. I go to school every day. I sometimes walk. I don't drive. I like walking. It is easy. It is simple. Very nice. Again, slowly. I take the bus. I take the train. I walk. I drive. Good. You are doing very well. Now, let's practice speaking. I will ask you a question. You can answer. Slowly. Then, I will give you a simple answer. Ready? Question 1. How do you go to work? Sample answer. I take the bus. Question 2. How do you go to school? Sample answer. I walk to school. Question 3. Do you drive? Sample answer, yes, I drive, or no, I don't drive. Question 4. Do you take the train? Sample answer, yes, I take the train. Or no, I don't take the train. Question 5. Is the bus cheap? Sample answer, yes, it is cheap. Question 6. Do you walk sometimes? Sample answer, yes, I sometimes walk. Take your time. Your voice matters. Even simple answers are good. Now, imagine a real situation. You are talking to a friend. Scene 1. Friend. How do you go to work? You. I take the bus. Friend. Is it easy? You. Yes, it is easy. Friend. Is it cheap? You. Yes, it is cheap. Scene 2. You meet someone new. Person. How do you go to school? You. I walk to school. Person. Really? You. Yes, it is close. Person. That's nice. You. Thank you. Very simple. Very real. You can do this. Now, let's do shadowing. Listen and speak at the same time. Follow the voice slowly. I take the bus every day. I take the bus every day. I walk to school. I walk to school. The train is fast. The train is fast. I don't drive. I don't drive. I sometimes walk. I sometimes walk. Transportation is important. Transportation is important. Again, slowly. I take the bus. I walk to school. The train is fast. Good. You sound great. Now, let's review. Today, we learned about transportation. We learned how to say, I take the bus. I take the train. I drive a car. I walk to school. We learned simple words, bus, train, car, walk, drive, ride. We also learned fast, cheap, every day, sometimes, and we practiced speaking. Slow, simple, real English. You are improving, step by step. You did a great job today. Really, you did. Even if your English is small now, it is growing, slowly. And that is okay. You don't need to hurry. You don't need to be perfect. Just speak. A little. Every day. Come back and practice again. Listen again. Speak again. You are not alone. Keep going, slowly, calmly. You are doing something very special. See you in the next lesson. Take care and keep speaking.